In this video, I will show you how to link your stock link takeoff Excel to OST so that your OST data feeds automatically to your spreadsheet. You'll want to start out by opening up a new template, File, New, Shared, WW Sales Templates. It'll be here under the file name, Buyout, RFQ, and Stock Length Takeoff. Once it's open, you want to save it. Save as. I've created a folder for this video, storing it in the job, pre-contract, vendor, buyouts. Once you have that file saved, you want to go over to OST. And I'm going to create a new job. I'm going to call it stock length takeoff video for this. You'll go about creating this just how you normally do for any project. The specific key point you want to do here is to select price using Microsoft Excel cell. This way the data is going to be fed to specific Excel cells for that worksheet that you're specifying. So the worksheet, we're going to hit this little magnifying glass and select the file that we saved a few minutes ago. Now we have linked our Excel spreadsheet to the project that we're going to be working on. In the next step, we'll see how you link specific conditions to specific Excel cells so that your data gets exported there automatically.